Oh, hello, welcome to Q's Corner. So I am going to show you guys, do a quick tutorial how to do a tutu. I'm doing it on here because this was the only thing I could find that actually work with me. So basically I already have my tule cut. I'm doing a toddler's tutu. So here it goes. And then pull it. You don't even have to pull it hard. Oh. That'll be a rainbow. Now I'm doing two at a time to make it thicker. A lot of people just do one, which you can do one. That's totally fine. But it makes it more sheer looking. Which, you know, of course when you do a tutu you're supposed to put shorts on anyways. But that's the difference between if you do two versus just one. Fold it in half, hit it under, bring it through the hole, boom. Now, if you keep it, if you don't pull it tight, you don't have to worry about your band stretching. You can do the band, or you can do elastic and then sew the ends. Either way, this stretch really long, so it'll work out really well. And then you can just keep going all the way around with different colors. And this is for, so this would be for between 12 months to 2T. Because it stretches wide, and just alternate the colors going all the way around. With this I like it because you don't have to sew nothing. They can just slip it right on and that's it.